Alright, this is a bit of the stressful time as I'm about to put in a lot of hours worth of effort in the zeolite into the sieve beds. I have a vibrator on. I'm going to fill both of them and hopefully there's enough. I'm going to try and even up the bags, a half of this bag in one and a half in the other, so that the combination of different zeolites from different generators is mixed up. These are cut down a little bit narrower so there's less airspace below. And they just slide in to the bottom. And then the screens, which are just a snug fit all the way down. A little bit less so, but oh yeah, that's good. I had the sieve beds drying overnight with a heater on them, so that one got a kink in it. Right on. Houston, we have a problem. Feeling around the edge to make sure that it goes all the way along the edge of the can. It's tight, so none of the zeolite can really get past. I like the feel of that other one better. This one's kind of got a bulge in it. Goes all the way to the edge though. That looks good. That one looks good. Next go fabric. And another fabric. And let's take a look inside. Nice snug fit against the can wall. And we'll start, oh, so much work went into this stuff. One bag. Two bags. Okay. Here we vibrate. That really does bring it down probably over an inch. Try the other one. Now it seems to have got it down a little further. Alright, so we have about an equal amount of zeolite in both canisters. So we'll put the filtering medium in. It's about there. And some stainless screens to keep them all completely supported. And then these, for pushing down, and they go just below the surface. And then the springs, which are going to be a little bit of work to compress to keep everything loaded up so the zeolite doesn't rub against each other. And some rubber seals. What I did with the rubber seals is I put a wire around the outside so that I don't want to, they're not contained like a O-ring groove. So I have put a wire around them to stop them from wanting to blow out between the studs. It's not the best solution, but it's not like it's a super high pressure area. It should be good enough. Looks pretty good. Caps. And I'm going to have to squeeze those down and get the camera out of my way. But basically, once I get those squished down and the stud started, I should be able to, might have to take a bit of zeolite out, make a bit more room in there. We'll see. These do fit. Well, they did at one time. There we go. Alright, I did have to take about 3/4 of an inch out of the sieve beds to make room, but I think we're going to work well now. So, once again, back to the filtering medium. Support screen, the plunger, the spring, the O-ring, or square ring, whatever, the seal, cap, get it all nice and centered. And push it down nice and hard. Oh, she takes a bit of force. Of course, I dropped the nut. Of course, I dropped a nut. Oh, there it is. And that should keep the zeolite from rubbing around against each other. Should be packed in tight, and the spring will keep it packed in, and the air movement plunging it will keep it all happy. That's the assembly of the sieves.